You've invested in a premium TV and amplifier, but here's the brutal truth: if your speakers can't deliver, you're missing half your music and movies. With floor-standing speakers ranging from $500 to over $50,000 in 2026, the wrong pair means boomy bass, fatiguing treble, or speakers so revealing they expose every flaw in your recordings. We spent 4 months testing every major release, from budget heroes outperforming speakers twice their price to reference towers costing more than luxury cars, through blind listening sessions, precision measurements, and weeks of real-world use. Starting at number 1. KEF LS60 Wireless. Best powered. The KEF LS60 Wireless reimagines hi-fi performance in a sleek, connected speaker that's as stylish as it is capable. Built to celebrate British brand KEF's 60th anniversary in 2022, this triumph system is centered around the company's single apparent source technology. For back-to-back 5.25-inch unicore force-canceling woofers are arranged around KEF's 12th generation UniQ driver array, which positions the tweeter at the center of the mid-range cone. The KEF LS60 Wireless redefines what a powered wireless speaker can achieve, offering true hi-fi performance with its cutting-edge UniQ driver technology, triumph precision, and seamless streaming capabilities, all in a sleek, minimalist design tailored for modern music enthusiasts. This waist-height configuration sits at a perfect seated listening position and delivers a cohesive soundstage where low, mid, and high frequencies appear to radiate seamlessly from a single point. In addition, its wide dispersion means more people can enjoy evocative imaging without having to be in one sweet spot, and there's less futzing with toe-in, etc. The speaker integrates KEF's metamaterial absorption technology, MAT, an intricate, maze-like structure designed to absorb unwanted sound waves coming from the rear of the tweeter for clearer, more detailed highs. Number 2. Definitive Technology Dymension DM70. Best value. The DM70's bipolar driver array creates an enveloping soundstage, while its built-in powered subwoofer and passive radiators produce deep, resonant bass without the need for a separate sub. The Definitive Technology Dymension DM70 might look like a minimalist monolith, but beneath its sleek, fabric-wrapped exterior lies a powerhouse of multidimensional acoustic engineering. This three-way tower features a bipolar array comprising dual 5.25-inch long-throw mid-range drivers and 1-inch aluminum oxide dome tweeters, oriented back-to-back to face the speaker's front and rear. The front array produces clear, focused sound while the rear-facing array enhances the sense of space, enveloping the room in energy for a listening experience that feels both expansive and natural, as if the performance is unfolding around you. For a more direct experience, a rear panel switch lets you bring down the rear driver output by half, or -6 dB. The DM70 produces its integrated powered subwoofer, a 10-inch active driver supported by 2 passive radiators in a configuration Definitive calls 3XR architecture, named for its ability to provide 3 times the sound radiating surface area compared to standard subwoofer designs. Together, they bring depth and precision to the bass without the need for an external subwoofer, turning these towers into a near-complete 2.1 system. Whether it's the subtle resonance of a bass guitar or the room-rocking rumble of an action scene, the DM70 anchors its sound with authority. Number 3. JBL Stage 2L280F. Best entry level. For newcomers to the world of discrete components, JBL Stage 2 loudspeakers offer options that can help you assemble a voice-matched system quickly and affordably. Revealed at a premiere held in July 2024 at the Hollywood Roosevelt Hotel, the new JBL Stage 2 speakers introduce easily integrated and optimized sound at approachable price points. Recognizing an emerging market of budding audio enthusiasts, the 2-channel and home cinema curious, JBL launched its own soundbar alternative. Available in espresso, wood, and latte, white, enclosures, the flagship L280F floor standers are rockin' rectangles that can blend into the background of a Gen Z apartment. But they'll take center stage once fed some signal. The feature that immediately stands out is the 1-inch anodized aluminum dome tweeter of this 2.5-way tower is mounted in a next-generation HDI, high-definition imaging, horn, trickle-down waveguide tech from the high-end custom installation synthesis line. This ensures a wide stereo stage and sibilance-free intelligibility. That's paired with two dual 8-inch polycellulose ribbed woofers and dual flared rear ports, so don't back them up too close to the wall, but do remember to toe them in 40 to 60 degrees. Paper cones have a more natural tone, allowing for mid-range/bass without breakup. It's a high-output system that's a balance between bright, airy, engaging, and low-end anchored. And with some EQ tweaks, which can be done manually or with the optimization built into JBL's matching modern audio AV receiver line, you can achieve maximum linearity and clarity. Number 4. Polk Audio Monitor XT60. Best floor-standing speakers under $500. The XT60s are excellent and affordable floor-standing speakers that belong to Polk Audio's Dolby Atmos certified XT series. Each speaker has a Terling dome tweeter and 6.5-inch woofer to deliver detailed highs, punchy lows, and a wide soundstage. Though looks aren't the speaker's selling point, its furniture-grade MDF cabinets look pretty good. Immerse yourself in dynamic, high-resolution sound with crystal-clear highs and powerful, effortless bass with Polk MXT60 high-performance, compact floor-standing loudspeaker. These floor-standing speakers feature a dynamically balanced acoustic array with a 1-inch high-resolution Terling tweeter, a 6.5 polypropylene woofer, and two 6.5 passive radiators. The MXT60 delivers highly detailed, pristine sound to bring your movies to life, no matter where you're sitting in the room. Number 5. Elac Debut 2.0 f5.2. Another superb budget option. The Debut 2.0 f5.2s are three-way floor-standing speakers that work as a stereo pair or integrated with the rest of Elac's entry-level Debut series. Each speaker has a dedicated tweeter and mid-range driver, as well as two bass drivers. The Debut 2.0 f5.2s are easy to drive and work with most stereo or AV receivers. Floor-standing speaker, the Debut 2.0 f5.2 is the foundation of a serious two-channel system or the nucleus of an impressive multi-channel setup. With its new custom drivers and improved cabinet design, it delivers big-league sound. Cloth dome tweeter, the soft dome tweeter features wide roll surround and takes response up to 35,000 Hz for lifelike high frequencies. Here are the best floor-standing speakers for every need and budget in 2026, budget giants, all-around champs, bass beasts, audiophile legends, and ultra-high-end reference towers. Links and best prices are in the description below. Grab the pair for your space before they sell out. If this guide helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. We're testing stereo amplifiers next week to pair perfectly with these towers. Want to know which amp makes these speakers sing? Click the video right here. Your ears will thank you.